WONTUMI. Baby, I call you in the two years. Me say, Minister, 2, 3, and then
Hi guys, this is Fast on Fast on Ghana SMTV. Do like, share, and subscribe. Finally, Chairman WONTUMI has explained what he went through in the arms of, or in the bosom of Raymond Archer, the EOCO boss. Guys, Chairman WONTUMI, when he came out of EOCO, was looking like he's going to die tomorrow. Guys, Chairman WONTUMI appeared so weak. He appeared mentally distressed. He appeared like very weak and could not stand on his feet. We had people holding him like a very sick person. He appeared sick. Guys, this was a mental torture for Chairman WONTUMI. Chairman WONTUMI appeared in Adansia Sokwa and spoke to delegates. Guys, the truth of the matter is that Chairman WONTUMI described the kind of room, a very tight room he was placed in. And can you imagine seeing yourself in a very enclosed space? Like the air, I can imagine how airtight the place would be. So he started feeling like he's almost dying, because he started seeing all his dead relatives, including his mom, including his sisters, old relatives who had died 20 years, 30 years ago. Guys, he went through a lot of torture. Chairman WONTUMI is saying that he described the size of the room to be very small and very thin in terms of weight. Guys, Chairman WONTUMI described the torture he went through. And guys, let me jog your memory. Chairman WONTUMI was picked up by EOCO, and there was a lot of demonstration by the members of the New Patriotic Party. We saw members of parliament sat on the floor, guys, just to protest, because Raymond.
We are demanding release. Pick on now, pick up now. It's part of it. Then come on, and this is for times. Come on, you answer times.
You yourself told me you arrest somebody for beating him. Your driver ran me. He hit me with the car. Your driver hit me with the car. I want to see you arrest him because he's not above the law.
We are being peaceful.
I want to see you arrest him.
That's me. My problem is that we are being very peaceful. Why would you just come and create a scene? Why would you just come and create a scene?
We are on the street. We have our rights. We are demanding answers. The guy was driving straight, and he said we should stand there. He will hit us, but he has the order. He said it. He said it. Meanwhile, there was no altercation here. The police rushed to go and arrest the person. And I'm now telling the boss that the same arrest he was about doing, why can't he arrest? Because that police officer is not above the law.
Archer placed a very ridiculous bail condition. All right, and this bail condition, Chairman WONTUMI and the NPP could not meet it. Guys, there was a lot of banter in this country. Watch this video to appreciate what exactly happened when Chairman WONTUMI was arrested in EOCO. Then you get to understand what exactly Chairman WONTUMI is describing to the people of Ghana.
Minister, 2, 3, and then I can see. And then I can see a cost straight fiasa. Not the same thing to say. Now I share the beer. Chairman WONTUMI with that. I nearly died. We see a man who coming with. Now we are the I'm telling you, we are so who knew and who push your phone or not phone or no. That's a walk. And to me, who said as a me will send you who will be a Macapapon. And no second years to Christo, the two baby at Tina, or Tia Muka said Ali Sabatani. Major and Ubi, and a Chairman WONTUMI so. Mr. Tiamu, I can't say Ghana for Musario, Ghana for Musario, Ghana for Musario, Ghana for Musario. I am T and the MC. Another day. Obedience school fees, obedience akɔtuo, obedience yare, obia wadia dana kumaso, adia mesuba kanesa, adasifu musorio, adasimu sorio, adasimu sorio, ayamuti ena Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, asaba betina nobaya Ghana president, wabasabu problem nilade, onagu program nila. I love you so much, Raspasia. I love you so much. I love you so much.
Hey, go back. We want a good view. Go back. Guys, go back. Go back.
WONTUMI. Now you better say WONTUMI. Baby, I call you and never told you. Me say, Minister, 2, 3, and Dana Cassia. And a Dana Cassia, a straight fiasa. Not the same thing I say. Now, I share the beer. WONTUMI the dark. I nearly died. We see them in water. Now, Obia say, I'm telling you, Obia say, who knew and me know, push your phone or not phone or that's as I said, that's as I walk. Let me lose something like I said, we will send you who will be at Macapapa. I know Sunday, yes, Christo, the two baby at Tina, or Tia Lucas, Ali Sabatani, Major and Rapamino, and Ubi, and a Chabamu to Mr. So, Mr. Tiamu, I can't say Ghana for Musario, Ghana for Musario, Ghana for Musario, Ghana for Musario, I am Muti, and the MC, another day, Yabada Siasuka. Yabada Siasuka, Obia, who are fun, Obidia Yuma, Obidia school fees, Obidia Akotio, Obidia Yarea, Obia Wadia Dana Kumaso, Adia Mesuba Canesa, Adasifu Musorio, Adasimu Sorio, Adasimu Sorio, Ayamuti, and a Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, asaba betina nobaya Ghana president, wabasabu problem nilade, onagu program nila. I love you so much, Raspasia.